All right, let's get this installation out of the way so we can get the party started. If you're on a Windows machine, keep watching. If you're on a Mac, skip to the timestamp here on the screen. All right, go, shoot, get out of here. Psst. Now that the Mac users are gone, I have to say, my favorite operating system is Windows. Macs are terrible. I don't even know why I use one. Anyway, go to python.org/downloads and download the .exe installer. Run it and make sure you click Advanced Installation. All of the boxes should be checked here. Just click Next and then check Add Python to Environment Variables. Finish the installation and you're set. You can check your installation by going to Start, CMD to open the command prompt, type Python, and you should get a Python terminal. To exit the terminal, either type quit, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, or press Ctrl-Z. Now skip to the timestamp on your screen to get the rest of the instructions for both operating systems. Hey, are they gone? Okay, great. It's just us Mac users. Ugh, Windows is the worst. Anyway, you already have Python installed because Macs are the best. However, Macs come with Python 2 installed, and we do need to make sure that you have the latest version, Python 3, which means, yeah, you still have to install stuff. So go to python.org/downloads to get the installer and then run it. All of the defaults are fine. You may get the Python launcher popping up just after you install it. This is just a thin graphic interface around the Python application. We don't need it, just close it. And you should be set. Open the terminal by going to Applications, Utilities, Terminal, and check your Python installation by typing Python 3. Remember, you already have Python 2 installed, so this is just to differentiate between the two different versions of Python. You should get a Python command prompt. To exit the prompt, either type quit, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, or Ctrl-D. Okay, let's bring the Windows users back. Hello, Windows users. Come back, come back. Everyone gather around. So you both have your respective terminals and command prompts up. You should also have a program called pip. This is the package installer for Python. We're going to use it to install a piece of software called Jupyter Notebooks, and this will be used to view most of the exercise files. So type pip install notebook. If you're on a Mac, you may need to type pip3 install notebook. Wait a little bit, and you should have it installed. Then navigate to the exercise directory. The command you want to type is cd, which stands for change directory. Then documents/Python essential training, or wherever your exercise files are. On both Windows and Macs, then you type Jupyter Notebook, and you should see a browser window pop up with all of the exercise files. We can open one of these, a little sneak peek here, and you should have a bunch of cells. Each cell contains a small Python program, and you can type any Python code you want in here, then click the Run button to run it. So play around with these a little if you want. We're going to be using them very heavily shortly in this course, but next we're going back to the command line.